We're going to be working on uppercase and lowercase p's. You will need a red crayon or marker or colored pencil and a blue colored pencil, marker, or crayon. So the first part that we're going to do, you can color in your capital P and your lowercase p. I'm going to have you do that on your own though. So we're going to look over here and it says color the capital letters blue. So we're going to color all of the capital letters blue. So let's see. If you notice, they're all different fonts. So we're going to have to look and see which one looks like a capital letter. I like to imagine that there is a solid line and I kind of look at it that way. If we look, this one is a capital P. So it's capital P. I'm going to look again at this next row. Ooh, I think this one looks like a capital P. This one looks like a lowercase p because it's very close to the edge. So does this one. This one looks like a capital P. Okay, I'm going to have you try the bottom line. So right now, which one of those do you think is the capital P? Is there more than one? Okay, let's look. So these were the ones that I chose as capital P's. They looked capital P-ish to me. Now I'm going to switch to my lowercase p's, and I'm going to color in the ones I did not color in before. These all look like lowercase p's to me. Fonts are very interesting because they are not something that I grew up with. On a typewriter, all the keys were pretty much the same, but now that we have computers and more technology, we can write in different styles. Okay, now we're going to move down to the capital P's. So on the first row, we are just tracing. But what I like to do is I like to trace a P, write a P. So I'm going to trace the P. I'm going to go all the way around, top line. On here, they like to go under the dotted line. I like to keep mine above the dotted line. So I'm going to make my circle, line down. My circle from dotted line to solid line, then a line down, dotted line to solid top line, and then down. You can do it that way, or you can do it trace, right. It's up to you. I like to trace and then write, because that way in my brain it's fresh. Trace, right. Trace, right. There are my capital P's. Okay, and now I'm going to move on to my lowercase p's. Circle from dotted bottom line to the bottom line. Dotted line to bottom line, then a line past the solid line. Dotted line to solid line, then past the solid line. Circle goes from dotted line to solid line, then dotted line past the solid line. Make your circle, dotted line, bottom solid line, then dotted line past bottom solid line all the way down. Dotted line to bottom solid, then dotted line past the bottom solid. Okay, same thing. Circle, line past. Circle, line past. Circle, dotted line to solid bottom line, then past the dotted dotted line, dotted line past solid bottom line, all the way down, circle, line, circle, solid line past the solid dotted line. That one's not very good. My last one was not that good. I'm going to look through and I'm going to find the one that I like the best and I'm going to circle it. I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to circle my favorite P up here as well. And then you can color your solid line, your solid P's. I'm going to color my lowercase red and I'll color my capital P blue. If you would like to color your pig, you could. I am going to leave mine though. Okay, so there's my sheet. Now I want you to try a few times on your writing board on writing the letter P, capital and lowercase.